Hey there, Walt here from WaltInPA. Today I'd like to welcome you back to another weekly motorcycle discussion. So, since you're here on my channel, you're watching my videos, I would imagine... Oh, that's a cool road. I'd imagine that you are very, very familiar with the concept of motovlogging. And you probably have a list of your favorite motovloggers or your favorite motorcycle content creators, whoever they may be. But in your subscription feed, there very well might be just that one person, that one underrated motorcycle content creator that you think everyone should know about, or you're completely shocked that no one knows about. So what I would like to do, well, this is a dirt road, we're not going that way. Stand by. Who in your subscription list do you feel is the most underrated content creator? The one person that you think everyone should know about because they perform above and beyond what anyone would expect for a channel with such low subscriber numbers. So head on down to the comment section and share your thoughts. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to the WaltInPA channel. If you'd like to support me, the best way to do that is by giving this video a like, dropping a comment in the comment section, and sharing this video with your friends. As always, ride safe, and I will catch you in the next one.